In Module 1, we will be looking at how businesses need to make decisions. Law is not the only basis for making decisions, but also ethics. And so what I want you to pay close attention to in this module is how laws affect businesses and business decisions, but also ethical standards. Ethics are not necessarily something legal or something you could be sued for, but it's a different way of making decisions. It's our principles that we use for making decisions. And I ask in the discussion for you to consider, when have you decided not to do business with somebody because of their reputation, for how they treat you? Or, on the other hand, maybe you've decided to do business with somebody because of their reputation. Think of how people are rated on Yelp and Open Table and other websites where you're able to rate and give your opinion of the product you received. A lot of that might have to do with ethics. It's how people are treated, not just are they meeting their legal standards. So go through the assignments. You have the readings to do. There is a video to look at, and please be sure to participate in the discussion. Look at the title of the discussion so that you know that you're making your first post by the first post due date. You should do the reading and watch the videos first because that's part of what's involved in the discussion.